Professor Liu is going to show you how to create your first Python project. We use PyCharm is for PC work with Python. So what you do is when you go to the text bar, you click on this main menu, click it, and you say new project. When the new project here, okay, it will land on your hard drive, your user hard drive. But you need to organize these things, your files. So best way is this. You go to your directory. Like what I did here, I already create a folder called CIT PyCharm, CIT 111 PyCharm. Alright, so once I create that, then I could come here and to select. So I'm going to redirect it. I'm going to Viera and I'm going to go to my folder. So I redirect my folder. Okay, come right here. Then I say create. Alright. And right there, right here, then I'm going to create the project. Is that right? So right here, I am going to click on this, right click it, okay? I'm going to say new Python file. All right, and I'm just going to call that first Python file. Okay, so type right here. First Python. Okay, first Python. Okay, so press enter. So that's my first Python right now. And we only want to put, a line. So you just print. All right. Then this is my first Python. Oh, make sure you type right, huh? Project. All right, you done. That's it. Python is no semicolon, nothing. You see this triangle? Click it. Then you got it. This is my Python project. Okay? So you will get your first Python project, but you need to submit that first Python project.py.python. So the Python project doesn't have executable code, doesn't have a jar file. Only thing is you go back to your directory, CIT 111 Python file, and look, first Python file is right here. Okay? You just submit that file. You just right click it, copy, and submit it. That's your first Python file. I hope you you understand and be able to do your first Python project. Okay?